G freestyle unit. We do it like this, nigga. See the little nigga standing there, looking all dumb, looking so big. Hold up, why don't you call it quick, real quick? Harlem tip in the clip. Holla at me, kid, no niggas. Hold up, John. Be careful what you say. You ever know in the hood, son? Yeah, nah, I'm grateful, son. You ever get sprayed, niggas? Hold up. All this shit I lost, all this shit you talk, motherfucker, I'm the boss. I'ma say it while I walk, motherfucker. What you mean you walk like a dog, nigga? Get your head spark while you in the motherfucking car. Got your brand new whip, shining like a star. Fuck around, get you motherfucking jealous. Little pistol for what, nigga? I ain't got shit, nigga. On the game, you ain't got no love for no bitch, love for no kids, none of this, son. Now I'm bugging. People say I'm nothing. You already know it's time, let a motherfucker silent. You already know it's silence. You ever see the pistol hit them sirens? They coming in, little pistol in the game. 2 guns in my jeans. You already know it's son, keep it playing, little nigga, keep playing. Playing them games like a dude, niggas try to explain. But your niggas don't know you ain't taking me seriously. Go serious in the block, little nigga, get the curious. Come around the block, niggas got your brains embarrassed. When I bust that shit open wide, little nigga pistol, son. Show you how to do, nigga, in the rap. Walk in, nigga, why I try to survive the hot and cold weather? Don't even matter, I got more heat in my chest than your motherfuckers know. Come on, you're on the game, saying so hard for the kid to get cold. Step in my cold, right in the heart. Come on, dog, grab me and shit when you bleed, nigga, that's how I do. The game is taking apart, yeah, now I'm happy. Come on, dog, smell like a motherfucker when you done, when you dead now, nigga, come around, slap me, bitch. Come on, dog, son, never show you what happened after you do this. Come on, dog, strap, get the clap in your heads, little niggas, come around, son. Little pistols, young. Yeah, nigga. Gotta pay attention to the instrumental, keep on coming around, shit ain't making no sense, but you know the pistol, John, spin a bit. Come on, John, back on the top, and yo, see these little niggas still on the top with it. In the hood, to the top, your time on the clock is about to get you split. Come on, John, tell the dip out, down for getting the liver to your people. These niggas come around, son, see your liver get slit up. Come on, dog, niggas sold up, little pistol in the game, son, got the game fucked up. These little niggas don't believe them on their realness. Come on, dog, to the semen in sight, young, they chill. Come on, dog, bunch of scared kids. Come on, John, say how what I feel, then I say it, young, then I play it, young. You niggas looking like you playing dumb. Someone hit you in your brains with so many guns. Come on, dog, yeah, need more than one. Cause you little niggas don't know what you're doing, young. I'm the dogs with out from the kid from the district of Columbia. But I'm in Columbia. Little niggas come around, son, so sick with it. Little motherfuckers keeping your distance or get dumber. Hit with guns like drummers. These niggas come around and hear so many sounds with the pistol coming at you, John. Little niggas out there having fun with it, nigga. Hold up. Little pistol in this bitch, young. I got the game in the hood, son. Control it. Little pistol in the game, son. Coming so slow with the guns I'm holding, John. Ready, aim and squeeze. Honey, little niggas. Ain't a please. You all know nobody but my G's. And you already know G.O.D. Fuck that little pussy nigga, he ain't me. It's about the M.O.B. You already know all day from Pennsylvania City. You niggas already know this how I play. Got the game greedy, got the game you who need me. Always feeling needy. Everybody need to bleed. They come around the way. Fuck that after experience. They show these niggas send your loud breath from tape, son. I experienced that. They come around when they stab me on the side, stab me on my chest, and then one back nigga talking about, yeah, I felt blessed. I did first. When I came to return this motherfucker, like returning out the hearse. Man, these niggas nigga shit worse. Come around, nigga. Come on, dog, I had a bunch of lovely nurses come around, done, yeah, try to put me first. That they wanna, yeah, to really impress, rather caress. Trying to come arrest him, lay across my chest. You already know, let me lay my hand on yours. Big titties, come around the hood. I'm from the big city. You already know the game is in the hood. Got the adrenaline. Who the fuck will stop me? Coming down the hood, everybody hit. Who wanna drop? You already know, like a dead baddie that I was young, that I still be. I'm still walking, nigga. Come around in the hood, son, to get a junkin'. Head chalking, motherfucker. You already know the hood, son. People want that roll with me, but they ain't ready, really. Come on, dirty pussy, son. Little nigga, son. Y'all let me know of these beats that I create. Come on, dog, yeah, for recording, John, yeah, new mixtape that I make. Come on, dog, nigga. Freestyle unit. Yeah, got a message from my exes. They come around, y'all talking, say what's next. They trying to set the kid pistol up. They come around, son, zip your motherfucking lips, bitch. I put the clips in your motherfuckers. Come around in your whip, yo. They come around, son, you forget, son, I ain't dumb. I use my mind all day. That's what the bad y'all, the rest of niggas need to do, son. Instead of trying to play with life, you play with your life, you play with death like it ain't real, young. Come on, dog. You better be to get something, better keep it getting guns. And you already know it's on right here, the only one. Never fear, you already know, never scared, nigga. Bone crusher type of nigga. And you already know, you see I'm in a home, about to crush you up. You know, we can pull the triggers, punish any things that sting. They come around, little pistol with young, got the respect, I demand, and now I better get it. Freestyle unit. Yeah, look at me, young. Look at my eyes, and hypnotized. They come around, shit, no lies. See, I'm in the mask. I like the 3-6, come on, sound like mafias. Little niggas, I'm so sick with these tricks. Come on, young, monster, John, still from the bed. I'm a young from the dead, you know what I mean, young. You ever know where I lay, rest my head at. Come a dog from the casket, little nigga, coming fast, nigga, when they talking, son, and they laughing, young, while I'm walking. Couple man, young, like a zombie. Nigga, come over and David walking, young, who gon' spark, young, nigga, with the home, young, yeah, with the bomb beat. Come on, dog, yeah, little nigga, call your mommies. Little niggas come around the hood, son, load them Tommies. Yeah, like the Italian monsters. Come on, dog, mafia, little nigga, I'm show you how I'm pushing, young. I'ma punish something, yo, you know, young monster with it. Come on, dog, nigga, you don't even get it. I'm a kid from the darkness for a reason, and these niggas don't believe it. That's why I'm hot in any season. Little nigga come around, so plenty me, oh, young, so many enemies, yeah, young. My dog try to come at me once, and then I make you motherfucker jump, so I bust one gun. Come on, dog, fuck is going on? I thought you thought that was fun. Come on, dog, young, now death here come. Gotta take the dog, bitch ass niggas come around the way, little nigga. Pistol, motherfucker, yeah, yo, freestyle unit. Come around in the game by the beat before I dip, y'all. Who wanna complain? Who wanna say my name in vain? Wanna get hit? The two of them things that I come with the clip that it always feel ready to hit. Next motherfucker victim. Come around though, young, you know I'ma get them. You know who gon' ever go with them? Come on, dog, let me catch my phrases. Little niggas catch these niggas slipping. Little nigga, it's gonna be a murder case. It's always chasing me. You already know the business. I be making confessions right on my music. Ain't no one the mess, man. You already know impressed. Ain't nobody young. I'm aggressive with it. Now these niggas come around and try to be a grab a vest. Yeah, you already know you ain't that slick. Little nigga, hold up. Come around the hood, got a new clip. Now I'm about to load in my scheme. Come on, dog, with the new slugs. With my custom name on it. Come on now, with your internet shit, your brain gon' be on it. And come around, son, you and your homies, and anybody at home, son, sleep. And come around playing like you ride deep, playing like you don't play the game raw, young nigga, breathe before you eat. I'm gonna burn the hood, son, want that beef, want that drama. Fuck this shit, dog, with the come around, dog, get it on, young, yeah, hop the trunk, young. This your all jump, young, like you get initiated. Boy, hop in your car and speed like a nation, young, like an engine dead, young, while you racing. But little pistols catching you up, young, yeah, like I'm chasing, like a fucking law do a lawbreaker, little nigga son, like a jawbreaker. Now I break you up, I'm a dog, fuck you mean, little nigga, little niggas ain't ready. I'm a son for the kid from the dead, young, yeah, dog, young, deadly. Crazy as a motherfucker like Freddy. Call you up with a bunch of fucking blades. Come on, son, chop your ass up. Shit, start with your face. You already know the hood, take a part of this shit. You already know, make it good days to go away. Freestyle unit, motherfucker. That's how the game played, little nigga. Hold up. Freestyle unit all day, nigga, motherfucker.